Hello friends, welcome to Perfection IAS Mains Model Answer Discussion. In today's model answer discussion, we are going to discuss a mains model answer for the 2022 UPSC Geography question. So the question for today is discuss the natural resource potential of Deccan Trap. So this question is related to Indian geography. Discuss the natural resource potential. So only natural resource potential of Deccan Trap. For this question, you have to write introduction, and this question contain only one part, that is natural resource potential of Deccan Trap. For that, you have to write at least 6 to 7 points. Okay, and then you can also include some of the challenges in this region, and then last conclusion. So this should be the answer for structure for your answer. So the main concentration should be on this part, natural resource potential of Deccan Trap. So you can write as many points as you can for this part. So let us discuss the introduction for this question. In introduction, you have to explain what basically Deccan Trap is. So Deccan Trap is a vast volcanic plateau. So it's a volcanic plateau in India's southern region. So this is the basic about Deccan Plateau and the location of Deccan Trap. And in next line, you can relate it to the question. So it contains a wealth of natural resources that have been used for generations. So we are utilizing the resource from Deccan Trap for generation. Okay, so this should be a perfect introduction for this question. If possible, you can draw the map of India. So you can draw the map of India and mark the region for all the geography question. If possible, try to include the map as much as possible. So including map is a value addition. You will get some extra half to 1 mark for adding the map. So this is introduction. Then in main body part, you have to write about the natural resource potential of Deccan Trap. The first and foremost natural resource potential is minerals. We all know that the Deccan Trap is rich in minerals such as iron ore, magnesium, bauxite, and mica. These minerals are widely used for construction activities and automobile industries and electronic industries, and also iron and steel industries surrounding this region. So because of this mineral potential, most of India's industries were surrounded in this Deccan Trap region. So this is the first point. Next important natural resource is water. Most of the peninsular river were emerging from Deccan Trap like Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri. So these were the important peninsular river. All these peninsular river were emerging from Deccan Trap region. So it provides water for irrigation purpose, then for drinking purpose in major cities of India, and then also for industrial purpose. So water is the important natural resource found in this region. The third is this region is also suitable for hydro power plant. Because of high plateaus and the emergence of many peninsular river, this region is very suitable for hydro power plant. So the important hydro power plant is Koyan. In Koyan Dam, Government of India is generating hydroelectric plant. So this hydroelectric plant is very important to satisfy the energy need of surrounding region. The next important thing is agriculture. The Deccan Trap region had fertile soil. Okay, so this region is gifted with black cotton soil. So this black cotton soil is very much suitable for cotton, sugarcane, and also rices and tobacco also. So because of this black soil resource, this region is rich in agriculture production of mainly sugarcane and cotton. The next important resource is wildlife. This region is home to wide variety of wildlife, including tiger, leopard, elephant, and also many other species of birds. Many of the important national park in South India were situated in Deccan Trap region. For example, Kanha National Park, Nagarhole. So, like this, many important national parks are also situated in this region, which is important for the promotion of eco-tourism. The next important thing is stone quarry. Already we had seen that this region is blessed with minerals. Okay, and soil in this region, the rock in this region were hard basalt rock. So this hard basalt rock were quarried and used for construction and infrastructure projects. The next resource is oil. One of the important resource in this area is oil resources. ONGC ONGC had found oil and gas in Deccan Trap region of Gujarat, specifically Ankaleshwar and Halisar oil field. So these were the important oil field situated in the Deccan Trap region of Gujarat. So this region is also blessed with oil resources. And again, already we had seen this region is contain black cotton soil, which is rich in nutrition and ideal for agriculture. So the main crop of this cotton black soil is cotton and sugar cane. So these were the important natural resources found in this region. So like I had already said, you can draw the map of Deccan Drop and mention some of the important location. We had seen the Ankaleshwar oil field, and we had seen some national park, and also Koyan Dam, then important river. So you can mark all the important location in your map. So this is the first part of the question. In second part, you can write about some of the major challenges this region is facing. And in conclusion, you can conclude by leveraging its natural resource and potential for economic growth, the Deccan Trap region can play a key role in helping India achieving its goal of $5 trillion economy. So by effectively utilizing the resources in Deccan Trap region, India can achieve its goal of becoming $5 trillion economy. So this is a perfect conclusion for this question. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will discuss some other geography question. Thanks for watching Perfection IAS.